If you're looking to sell PDFs, zip files, or digital products on your Shopify store, then I want to show you a walkthrough on how to do that here in just a few minutes. Let's get into it. So what I've got here is an example store already set up. I've already installed the application that you need to sell digital products. Because Shopify doesn't have its own built-in system, we need to install an application from their app store. So you want to get downloadable digital assets. So once you've installed the app, you go back to your Shopify store and click on apps. Click on downloadable digital assets. And the first step to selling digital products is going to the assets page. We need to upload your digital products. Click the upload new assets button. Go to upload your files, or you can drag and drop into this section. And you can also add a link if you wanted to. So if you want to sell a Dropbox file, Google Drive, you can do that using this button here. But for now, we're going to upload the files directly to the app. I've got some products here ready, so I'll upload course. You can upload loads at a time if you wanted to. Click on this. It'll take you directly to the asset, so it's a PDF file. We also have PDF stamping, which means it will stamp the personal details of the customer onto the PDF pages. That prevents them from sharing it with other people. It's a really good feature to stop people sharing the files with others. The next step now is to attach this asset to your Shopify products. So I'm assuming you've already got products inside your Shopify account. Products are automatically imported from your Shopify. As you can see, I've already created one called Course, Digital, and T-shirt. So we're going to attach it to Course. And we'll click the attach button. So now the product has been attached. So this means that if someone buys that product, they're going to be delivered an email with the download links. This is locked and armed, ready to go. What I'd like to do is show you an order. So if you go to the orders page, this is where you'll see the list of all of your orders. You have some filters here to be able to search, choose a date range, and so on. So I just placed this order before, 1004, if I go in there. And as you'll see, the file that we attached to that product, Course Digital, is here. So this was delivered to the customer, which is me. I've not opened the email, as you can tell. There's email tracking, so it says when the email was sent. And once I open it, it will show some data on whether the email was opened or bounced. You can attach additional assets. So if you want to attach any more, so I've got this one here. And then you can resend the download email to the customer. You can expire the order if you want to. You can see the fraud analysis. Look, as you see now, if I refresh the page, so the email tracking is loaded up because I've sent 2 emails. This one was processed, then delivered. Tells you the time. There's a download delivery email. You can see how many times the customer downloads, the IPs they downloaded from, the total bandwidth they've used. Then the next step, the third step, is going through the settings to customize for your store. So you want to go to the settings page. As you can see, there's a bunch of different options we can do. So we've got restrict customers' downloads to a number of IP addresses. This helps prevent customers from sharing with others because the downloads will be blocked if they detect more IP addresses. What we can do is just put 2 in there for now. So if you've got a bunch of data on your store already, you can actually go to this option here, import all previous orders. So clicking this button will import all previous orders from before you installed our app. That means you can deliver digital products to any of your customers you've ever had on your Shopify store. So the next one, we can go to checkout settings. So this app delivers digital downloads in 3 different ways. On the free plan, you can deliver via email. Then on the starter plan, you can display the download links on the checkout page. That is the thank you page once they've paid. And then what you can do as well on the professional plan, you can display the download links on the customer account's order page. So if the customer logs into their account and they can go to the order, they'll see the download links there. And then on both of these options, on the thank you page and in the customer accounts, it will show as like a download box. So it'll automatically display a box with the links inside. And what you can do is you can add a title saying download your products here. You can add some extra text saying, so you can just inform your customers of any things you've set up and what they should be aware about. Press save. The next step, we can go to additional settings. So if you've marked your Shopify products as digital, our app can automatically fulfill them inside the Shopify orders and then leave the physical products unfulfilled. The app can deliver digital files for physical and digital products. That completely automates the workflow for digital products. You can disable all the order download emails, so they can just access the downloads on the thank you page or the account if you've got them enabled. If you have PDF stamping enabled, you can go in here, you can create your own templates. So if I go to here to the default template, it would stamp this text onto the PDF pages. And what you can do, you can lock the page so customers cannot remove their personal details. You can set it as a global default if you wanted to. Change the font size, color. Let's get a nice blue. You can change these variables. So these are the customer's personal details. So it would stamp their email, their name, and their order number. So if I press save, and now that's set as a global default for any PDFs on the site that would apply to. So here you can actually edit the email templates as well. So you can fully customize and add your branding, your logo, everything to the email template. So when the digital downloads are delivered, it's your own customized look. Email settings, that means you can send the downloads from your own email account. You can connect any email account via SMTP, or you can connect to our email server. It's up to you. We have an API available, so if you want to connect an API to a different system, you can see our changelog, our partners page, FAQ. If you get stuck with anything, feel free to go to the tutorials page up here. It's got a bunch of tutorials that will teach you step by step how to do everything, video and images included. For support, our goal is to have the best support possible. So if you get stuck with anything, you have any questions, just go to this page, fire a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Our aim is to get everyone sorted, have no issues, and be up and running in no time. So that's all you need to know to sell digital products on Shopify. It's as simple as you install the app, downloadable digital assets, you upload your digital files, you attach your digital files to the Shopify products, and then you're locked and loaded. You're ready to deliver. From then on, you just go to the settings, customize it to suit your branding, the protection features, PDF stamping, email templates, the limitations. There's a lot of customization you can do with this app. But yeah, drop us a message if you get stuck with anything. We're always here to help, and we'll get back to you as fast as we can.